we get money on the freeway. And this motherfucker, woo, it been burnt up. Come on, shorty. We get money on this freeway, boy, I'm trying to tell you right now. We get all type of money on this freeway right here. Come on, man. Come on, man. This is what we do, man. This is what we do, man. Come on, man. This is how we do this for real. This ain't no none of that other that is. What that light just pop up on my shit, folks? I was going too yanking. I was yanking too crazy, folks. I don't know what that mean. I hope it don't mean nothing bad, though. Hey, y'all, tell me why I was just driving by. I was driving on Sunset. I hear a honk. You feel me? Somebody like, doo-doo. So I look to my left. I swear to God on my dead homie, on everything I love, shorty. This is the first time this happened to me like this. I feel me? And it's the car. It's the car. I'm trying to tell y'all. This is why I say, grind hard, folks. And y'all gonna get this car. And then y'all get the girls, folks. Don't try to get no girls while you grinding, folks. Because that shit just don't go together. You feel me? But listen, I promise y'all. I'm on Sunset, right? I'm at a stop sign, at the stoplight. I look to my left, I doo-doo, you feel me? It's too fine air. I ain't never seen no white girls this fine in my life. You hit, well, I'm lying, I'm always exaggerating a little bit, but the green little thing went away. Probably because I was yanking this motherfucker. But okay, let me put it like this. A white girl that fine ain't never tried to talk to me. You feel me? Like, they said something, I don't know, the music was up. They said something, I looked to my left, I waved, I smiled at them, they waved, they smiled at me and waved back and shit. They like, you feel me? They all that shit, you feel me? And bro, as soon as I look back to my left, I'm like, oh, I'm finna make a U-turn. It's hella traffic, then a light turn, and it's police over close to me and shit. I'm like, I gotta go, I can't even do what I wanna do right now, but I was mad as hell. The white girl was fine, no photo great. I ain't never really even fuck with no white girl for real, but boy, telling you right now. I'm telling you right the fuck now. I ain't shit. Listen, I'm young, bro. Might as well experience all this shit while I'm young. On phone now. Oh, I got a scatty right here though. It's definitely a scatty right here. What you wanna do, scatty? What you wanna do, scatty? I'm coming over there with you. Might be a cat. I think that was a Scat Pack sign I seen. I can't tell for real. From as far as I seen this shit. Hopefully he talking about something when we get through this traffic. Hopefully he talking about something. Spice it up a little bit for me. Spice it up a little bit for me, Mr. Scatty. Looks like I'm driving behind Vin Diesel in Fast and Furious right now. Oh, phone now. Oh shit. Well, I'm gonna save my thing for the crib. Not gonna lie to you. What we finna eat, y'all? And I got niggas in the trenches who I die for. I seen Dirk sign a nigga from 63rd, and I thought that shit was like so cool. Like, you know, I thought that was like revolutionary as hell, cause bro, everybody dead, bro. You know what I'm saying? All the rappers from Chicago dead. If we had just ain't give a fuck enough about killing each other, bro, we'd still have Vaughn. I'm gonna say it on both sides, bro. We still have Vaughn, we still have Doug, we still have JoJo. You know what I'm saying? We still have Cap. You feel me? We still have so many other Young Pappy. You feel me? Like, it's a lot. LA. Oh, Nooski. You feel me? Like, Nuna was raw as hell, bro. These all raw ass rappers that maybe they might not have been Beyonce and Jay-Z in level or some crazy shit, but they could have helped put on for the city. Imagine if all them rappers was still up. They all doing shows. They all got money. Chicago be turned right now with way more money. You feel me? So I feel like what he did was revolutionary, and I've been waiting for somebody to do something like that. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? That's why I'm trying to put on for Chicago now, so I can go back and sign young niggas who want to do YouTube from all over the city. You feel me? From the suburbs, from everywhere, just so our city can be popping, folks. We got the 3rd biggest city, folks, and our shit don't look nothing like LA look. You feel me? It ain't supposed to be like that, man. We supposed to be turned. We supposed to be turned like Atlanta be turned. Turned like LA be turned. Turned like New York be turned. You feel me? Even when New York ain't popping, they popping. They always got it. New York always got somebody popping. You feel me? And I don't really see too much of they ass. I mean, I know they be beefing, but like they don't be killing each other like that, from what I know at least. The big ones, like, you feel me? I don't think Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just, I don't know. At least from the outside looking in, that should be different, folks. I just want Chicago to get like that, folks. Tired of seeing rappers getting killed. Young Pappy was raw as hell, bro. Young Pappy will be one of the biggest rappers alive right now. No cap. You feel me? I'm finna damn near play some Pappy when I get off here with y'all. Matter of fact, I'm finna play some Pappy with y'all. No cap. I got in the song I can play right now. I ain't even on that gangster vibe ass shit, so I'm gonna play some of his like real shit. Oh, it's on here, it's on here. Remember them long ass nights in the field with the steel toe chrome ass lights. Remember them long ass nights in the field with the steel toe chrome ass lights. And everybody trying to do this song last night, but in real life I made the song last night. And crazy as hell, smoke dope till my eyes get lazy as hell. Got a bad bitch riding, she crazy as well. And it's fully for this brains to the gravy and meal. I'm crazy as hell, see this pain you can tell. It's how I feel for this pain with a steel. Race cop. This is a race cop. Boy, I feel like I'm in a race cop because I'm in a race cop. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like I'm supposed to be racing. Like I'm just I feel like I'm finna go on the Daytona, nigga. No cap. I don't know why that motherfucking car going so slow. Gonna be the goofy car going slow as hell for no reason and shit. That's why it be traffic. Like a lot of times it don't even be traffic for real. It just be one goofy or like 3-4 goofies, like going driving slow as hell for no reason. Like, why is he driving so slow? There ain't nothing but space of opportunity up here. He driving slow as hell. Po-po, everybody saw the po-po, let me know. Anybody see the po-po, let me know. No cap. Let me fucking know. I got 100 shooters with me in Atlanta. And they gon' get it. No. Hey man, I hope y'all rocking with this video. Gonna pull up to the spot. Y'all be breezy.